Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to MEIZU mBlu 21. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to send at the bottom of MEIZU. Also on an Android using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access them. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Then if you decided to send any apps, hit OK in the pop-up. And choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up. And point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Input this code before it expired in correct order. And hit Receive button. Close all ads, and as you can see, after that my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!